We're in the Gloucester area of Langley, just north of 56th Ave and 264th. And we're building an ICF house, which is styrofoam concrete construction. And the square footage is roughly about 2,000 square feet per floor. It's a full foundation with a main floor and then just a wood truss roof. And we're using the quad lock system for this project, and it's the new 3-inch panel, so it's a higher R value, and we're moving forward with our building science technology. I started a few years ago, and I got involved with Quad Lock, the manufacturer, and I've gone through various courses that they've offered, and got to a point where they recognized me as a preferred installer. And then from there I went to do a few more jobs that were certified by the company, and I was eventually granted my appointed trainer status, which allows me to go out into the field and train others on the use of this system. It's a very solid product. We have a very continuous insulation barrier, and being that it's concrete, it's very soundproof. It's very durable. The house will last a very long time. It'll stand up to the elements. It'll stand up to time. The houses don't deteriorate, they don't sag, they don't settle. It is a quality product through and through, and the customer will get what it is that they're paying for. My crew is very experienced with ICF. We specialize in the ICF. We've done a dozen houses in the last year and a half. So we have a very good understanding of the system, what it's capable of, what it can and can't do. Being versed in both conventional construction and ICF construction gives us the ability to incorporate both systems together. Most commonly, it ends up being that exterior walls end up being an ICF, and then but it still gives us the freedom to do all the interior partitions in wood or steel stud for those that are interested. The walls and systems tie together similarly as if it was all a conventional house. We're already seeing that the ICF is gaining momentum. It's gaining momentum in the sense that people are wanting more quality built homes, especially people that are building for longevity, people that are building for themselves. So we're seeing a lot more houses that are going up with the intention of not 3, 5, 6 years, people that want to live in them for 20, 30, 80 years. We're gaining momentum in that sense, as well as the BC building code is trying to tighten up housing, whether it's air leakage, higher insulation values. They're trying to control the materials that go into the house, which makes building an ICF more favorable for the client and the end user. We've been dealing with clients that are very, very satisfied, very happy with their end products. A lot of houses are seeing very, very low air infiltration levels, and that in turn is saving the client a ton of money as far as heating and cooling. Due to the nature of the ICF product, you can downsize your HVAC equipment or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning by up to 60%, which brings your utilities costs down month to month. I mean, it's kind of cliche to say, but it's the way of the future. It's definitely something that everybody should maybe consider looking into. Maybe not doing the whole house, it can be costly, but definitely look at doing a foundation. I mean, for 1% more, you can get yourself a much more well-insulated basement, and it's a better bottom line for everybody.